it's just sanity and understanding in these hard times, just to have somebody that you can bounce off. It's worth every penny, yeah. It's been a really hard year for us, you know, with COVID. We're an event and corporate company up here, so it really is looking to refunction or review and redesign the business. However, I've still got 2 team members furloughed, so therefore, no, it's a different playing field at the moment, because we just haven't got the staff. I have not got the teams in place. It really does, because it breaks it down. It breaks you down into areas of your businesses, because bear in mind I have 3. And you can work on different parts of your business at certain points within the month, within the second month, and you know where you are. So for us now, we're coming into Christmas, so it's so important for us to be developing our designs and everything, and we are only in October, but it's that whole understanding of how a 90-day plan works within the business, yeah. So obviously, initially we were fully closed as a business, and it is looking at different ways of changing the business through developing websites, developing sort of local and national delivery services through the businesses, which really did help increase sort of people using the business and the profitability within the business. It's been really important for us to have that and just bounce new ideas, and if you think something isn't going to work, that there is a way of making it work. Been really important, and for the team as well, to have that person, that synergy within the room to just give them new ideas is great. I think this year will have been really hard, because I think it's just so important to have somebody on your side. You know, we've gone through an awful lot in the businesses, from closing 3 fully functional and great businesses to nothing for months on end, and to actually pull that back up and get them running, you know, it's been hard. And I think having a coach to just give you that support and ideas and enthusiasm, because remember, you've always got to laugh, you know, you have to have enthusiasm, and he will give you that. Even on a crap day, he will give you that, which is really good. It's quite immediate if you allow him to look at the businesses and actually be honest with you. You know, I think with any coach, you need to understand it's not all, oh yeah, you're doing really well, you know, and that's why you have a coach. You know, we want to develop our business. I'm not a business in trouble. I'm a business that wants to grow and develop, and that's why I have Peter. And you know, it's also really useful, because it makes you have a goal. And to actually meet that target or meet that goal for your next meeting, it makes you focus more, yeah. And that's really from the beginning, yeah. I think I'd say the marketing side and the 90-day planning, but it's also the team linked. It's looking at the team, how to utilise the team, what you're doing, you know, in all the businesses. And I think especially now, you know, we've had a nightmare. This business is an event company. We've closed. We have no events. We have no corporates. We have nothing. Just a few little weddings. So to be able to have a business coach to help you look at different ways of turning the business into something different, or you know, or to just get focused and you know, to look at it and how you can forward it on planning for next year, depending on what happens. Get to know the coach. You know, get to know them, get to understand them, you know, and it is, you have to understand your coach, and they have to be, you need to be able to work together well, and to be able to tell them anything and not feel offended when they throw something back at you. And I think that's the thing, is it's just understanding that, yeah.